Hola, how is everybody doing? Welcome back to Storytime with Miss Shauna. Today, Miss Shauna has a very special gift. Yes. Oh my goodness, Miss Shauna can't speak today. She's so excited about this guest. Her name is Habiba. She's all the way from Germany. She is a friend of mine that we connected online, and she is one of my favorite DIY crafters to date. So I wanted Habiba to join me today on our story time, and she's going to provide a couple of really cool crafts at the end of the video. So hang tight. Let's make it through this story. And I just want to go ahead and just let Habiba introduce herself and tell her some of the things that she does.
Hi, I'm Habiba from Crafty Find My Love, and I'm so happy technology exists because this way I know Miss Shauna and we get to hang out, read books, and craft together.
Yes.
I enjoy all sorts of crafts and DIY. I think people of every age will find inspiration on my blog, Crafty Find My Love, and yeah, today I'm here to share some fun stuff with you. Butterflies and flowers it is.
Yes. Butterflies and flowers. We all love that, especially it's warm, summertime. It's wonderful. So as you can see, Habiba and Miss Shauna has our butterfly wings on. So we're going to get ready to get into the story. We've been having a lot of fun, friends. So yes, so we're going to get started with the story. So I had a very special story to share with you. It's called 10 Magic Butterflies, and it is written by Danica McKellar, and it's illustrated by Jennifer Brickling. This story is amazing. I love this story. Ready? Here we go. Once upon a time, there were 10 flower friends. Were they always happy? Well, that depends. All day long, they soaked up the sun, talking and laughing and having fun. Ha, 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 hee, hee, hee.
I love that it rhymes.
Me too. And they're soaking in the sun, which is one of my favorite pastimes. They loved being flowers, but they couldn't deny that they had a secret desire to fly. They watched every eve as the fairies flew from the moonlit night to the morning dew. Whoosh! Wheel. There's the fairy. I think fairies are special too, right? You like fairies?
I love fairies.
They're magical, aren't they?
Yes, they are. I think my wings could be fairy wings too.
Yes, I agree. I think you could use them for more than one thing, right? Then one starry night, a flower felt brave. She spotted a fairy and started to wave. Said the tiny blue one, fairy up in the sky, you see I'm a flower, but I want to fly. Huh? Oh? Hello there, my friend. You smile and you sing. Why would you want to be a different thing? I'm tired of being a flower, just stuck on the ground. I want new adventures to zoom all around. The fairy shrugged, okay, and she closed her eyes. Time to get ready for a big surprise. Uh-oh, what's going to happen? Big surprise! With a wave of her wand and a bing bang boo, the fairy said, now you're a butterfly, blue. Blue butterfly. Yes. Blue. One butterfly flew as 9 flowers looked on. There were still 10 of them in the sky on the lawn. So there's 10 left. Let's see what happens. More friends, more amigos, right? More amigos. Oh wait, make sure I didn't skip. Oh, okay, I did that one. Sorry, everybody. Okay. Said the bossy green one, fairy up in the sky. Hey, make me some wings, because I want to fly. With a wave of her wand and a bing bang boo, the fairy said, now you're a butterfly too. 2 butterflies flew as 8 flowers looked on. There were still 10 of them in the sky on the lawn. They're changing. They're changing fast. Here we go. Said the silly orange one, fairy up in the sky. Could I flutter and flip? Will you help me to fly? With a wave of her wand and a bing bang boom, the fairy said, no, you're a butterfly too. 3 butterflies flew as 7 flowers looked on. There were 10 of them in the sky on the lawn. We're moving right along. I think everybody's going to get changed pretty soon. Next, 4 and 6. Bing, bang, boom. Then 5 and 5. The brand new butterflies felt alive. Yes, one by one they filled the sky as the sweet little fairy helped each to fly. The 10 new butterflies flew all night, zooming and swooping. What a sight! Zing, zing, zoom! Wow. They're all flying around. What's your favorite color, Habiba?
I like pretty much any color, but bright color, like pink or bright green. Okay. I love those.
Okay, yes, green is my favorite. I do have room for bright colors too, but I do have green. When morning came and the sun peeked through, their wings were tired and the wind really blew. Woo, bonk, thud. They watch other flowers soak up the sun as bees and birds kissed them one by one. Oh, the bees and the birds kissed the flowers. But remember, they turned into butterflies, so they're just watching on. They're looking on. And then they said together, all 10, we actually want to be flowers again. It was fun to fly, but now we're sad. We really do miss all the things we once had. Sniff, sniff. It wasn't bad when we were flowers, so strong and sturdy with lots of powers. We made perfume and cleaned the air. Yeah. Gave plenty of nectar for all to share. Flowers play a very important part for us. I thought you'd change your mind, she cried. The grass is always greener on the other side. Sometimes we wish for different things, to change color or size, or even get wings. But big and tall or short and small, being ourselves is best of all. So let's go back to you, being you, with fairy dust and bing, bang, boom. Such an important message there, friends. You're always your best when you're yourself.
That's so true, so very true.
Yes. Yippee! Then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. They floated down to the garden floor. Now 7 on the ground and 3 to go. Then 3, 2, 1, zoomed high to low. So I'm just going to do the numbers in Spanish from 10 down to 1. And Habiba, could you do it after me from 10 to 1 in German?
Yes, of course.
Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You ready, Habiba?
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yay! Thank you.
You're welcome. So many languages today.
So many languages. Was that a dream or did they fly? Can flowers end up with wings in the sky? Who knows what happens while we're asleep? Could dogs become horses and bugs become sheep? Nah. Who knows? Yes, magic surrounds us. It takes many forms, from rainbows and moonlight to tropical storms. Frogs come from tadpoles that swim in the stream, and each night you grow with every dream. Every dream we grow, because we're growing every day and every night. So don't be surprised if this story is true and magical butterflies come to see you. You might see one fluttering late, late at night or in your dreams. Sleep tight.
Tight.
Yep. The end. Yes. This was called 10 Magic Butterflies, written by Danica McKellar and illustrated by Jennifer Brickling. I hope you enjoyed this story today. Now Habiba is going to help us out with a couple of nice crafts.
Yes, I'll do my best. I might need to switch my screen a little so you can see my desk.
Nice.
Like so.
Yes.
Let's push this away. So here is the butterflies. I think we start with the butterflies because actually, Miss Shona, Zoom is telling me there's 5 minutes and 25 left.
Oh, wow. I didn't know we had a time limit. That's good to know.
So we did the butterfly first.
Okay,
And
great.
if we don't have enough time, I will link, or Miss Shauna will link to the tutorial on how to make these flowers.
Awesome. Great plan.
These flowers. It will be a video, so you can follow it along.
Nice.
What you do for the butterfly, you get a piece of paper in your favorite color, and then you find a stencil. I use just a lid as the circle stencil, or not the stencil, I'm sorry, it's the template. Sometimes I'm not knowing the right words in English. And then you use a ruler, and then you trace the shapes on the piece of paper. I already did that with a pencil. Can you see?
A little bit. It's yellow, so amarillo, so it's kind of bright, but I can see a little bit.
You trace these, and then you take your scissors and simply cut them out. In order to save time, I already did that.
Yay!
Yay! Then you grab a glue stick, and you will put glue on one corner here, like so. And then you will glue the circle
Nice.
to your square. It will look like that. That is the top, the circle is the bottom, and you start, I think it's called an accordion fold, but I'm not sure. Is it
it's like making a fan, friends, when you go flip and you go on the other side and you flip, how you make your paper fan. Yep, yeah. That's a good word. That's a good word.
So I'll try to be quick.
Very nice.
Can you see that my paper is white on the back side?
Yeah. Can you use any kind of paper for this, Habiba?
You can use any kind of paper. Maybe not a too thick, maybe not cardstock, because then the folding will be really not so easy. But any paper. You could even use a magazine, you know, a page from a magazine if you don't want to go to the shop.
Nice. That's a great idea.
Yeah. Or you could use patterned paper. I was thinking about maybe using two kinds of papers, like do the circle in yellow and the square in pink, and then you have a two-colored butterfly. Ooh. So now you folded this. Now you need a pipe cleaner.
Okay.
You need a pipe cleaner. And you will twist the pipe cleaner. The square is still on the top. So you will twist the pipe cleaner around twice.
Nice.
And then just twist it. Twist it in a circle. It doesn't look like a butterfly much, but once you start spreading the wings, like so, and like so,
oh, I see it.
Then you see the shape coming
toward. Gorgeous.
So basically it will be done now if you have some beads flying around.
Nice.
Beads.
Oh.
Try and give the butterfly antennae some detail. Just.
Yes, I see it. It makes a difference.
It does. Whoops. Whoops. And then the pipe cleaner backwards so it won't slip off again.
Okay. Is it okay if friends wanted to fill that up with beads, or will you think it would weigh it down?
I don't think so. I think it would be perfecly okay to fill it up with beads. Yeah. And now you're done. What you could do now, let me show you my face again. Hello.
Hello.
You could either glue it somewhere just with a sticky dot, or you can take a piece of, I think this is a bamboo stick. Okay. And thread it through the pipe cleaner, and then you can put it into plants as well.
Yes, or outside. And you know what else I saw? Maybe they could take a string and they can hang it up. So like a little mobile of butterflies.
Excellent idea. That would work too.
Yeah. Beautiful.
So I can see there won't be enough time to do the second craft.
Sorry, I didn't realize that with this. So
we learn everything. We learn something new every day, Miss Shauna, I think.
Yes, we do. We do.
I will make sure to make a detailed photo description and a video tutorial on how to make the butterflies and those puffy flowers.
Yay!
And Miss Shauna will link to them. So if you're in a crafty mood, just stop by over at my Craftify My Love.
Yes. Hola, everybody. We're back. As we said earlier, we do love technology, but at the same time, sometimes technology has a mind of its own. So we did get cut out, and we wanted to come back and finish the ending of the video. And so Habiba was talking about the flower, maybe in a video form that they'll be able to see.
Yes, definitely. A video form, or if you don't like video, there will be a blog post with photos. Either way.
Awesome.
Same
Awesome.
for the butterfly.
Yes. And can you tell us about your other crafts and what your blog name is again and your YouTube channel name?
I have all sorts of crafts and DIYs for all age groups, I think. Most of them are bright in color because that's what I love. And my blog name and my my YouTube channel is Craftify My Love.
Awesome. Awesome. So we will have all of Habiba's work linked all below. And if you're new to Habiba and her work, please go over to her YouTube channel and subscribe. Also subscribe to her blog so you can get these awesome crafts before everybody else does. It's really neat. And if you're new to my channel, I would love new subscribers as well. If you know any families or children that are interested in the type of work that Miss Shauna has and that I do. Miss Shauna has, like I'm a third person, but you know what I do. I would love new subscribers. And also I have a new website that I'm looking for new subscribers there as well. So all of our links will be down below, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and thank you so much for spending time with us. Thank you Habiba for being my guest. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yes.
I really had fun. Let's do it another time again.
Yes, we do. So I'm going to say adios in Espanol, or adios, and could you tell us goodbye in
Yes. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen. That's bye, and see you soon.
Tschüss. Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen. Bye.
Auf Wiedersehen. Bye. Adios. Ciao. Bye-bye. Besos. Bye-bye. So now I have to figure out how to stop. Sorry. That's on there. I just stopped.
No, you're still recording.
Oh, no. Oh, geez. Uh-oh.